Hey guys, here's a clip from TURAILBA Volcano, filmed on June 3rd, 2019, showing what appears to be a black disc-shaped object with radiant fields on the top and bottom. And here we have what appears to be a TR-3B flying alongside a highway over Cotulla, Texas in June of 2019. Here's another shot of what appears to be a TR-3B, or perhaps a drone in the shape of a TR-3B, unknown at this time, but it is flying above Salt Lake City, Utah in July of 2018. This clip is from over Sarasota, Florida in May of 2019. There were multiple witnesses thought to be a TR-3B. What do you think? Leave your comments below. Thank you.